Hey, good morning, everyone. Rory Powers, Right Line Trading. This broadcast is for demonstration educational purposes only. It's important to know that I am not a licensed financial advisor. I'm not offering any type of trading advice here today. Just showcasing our automated bots here at Right Line Trading. If you're not familiar with the risks associated with trading, please consult with a licensed financial advisor. All right, with that being said, happy Friday, everybody. We made it. Today is Friday, December 5th. If you're joining us today, hallelujah, that's the good news. Any day above ground is a blessed day. We are in it to win it. Let's get it. We had a couple of rough days of trading on Wednesday and Thursday. Tuesday was good. Let's see how today goes. Pre-market, we just saw a big move down in the London Open. Started at 4 a.m. A nice climb during the Asian Open. Then we watched it tank pre-market, and now it's just bouncing back and filling in that gap. So we'll see what happens when that opening bell rings. We always take a look at the Forex Factory as to prevent any unpleasant surprises. Ever have one? Not fun. And Friday, December 5th, at 8:30, we had at 8:30, Canada had a couple of big reports. But for us, at 10 a.m. is our catalyst event. Core PCE price index, consumer sentiment, inflation expectations, all coming down the pipe at 10 a.m. 10 a.m. Eastern. Fireworks headed our way. The fireworks show. Trader View Trader. Yes, sir. Savvy. The savvy trader is coming. That's 2026. We got big things coming, big things. He's got that market internal system on Trading View that's going to blow your mind. This guy's putting up numbers like we've never seen. So that will kick it off at 8 a.m. here on Right Line Trading YouTube channel, starting in 2026. If today's your first day joining us, welcome. Welcome. Our methodology here is we run our bots through the overnight session, pre-market, and we have what we call our leaderboard. Our leaderboard. These are the bots doing the best today. Today being the key word. If a bot did good last month, well, we were good. We were happy last month, but we're worried about today, right? We need to make money today. Right? So today's always the key word. So which one of these bots would be the best vehicle to get us to our profit goal today? Would it be one of these on the bottom that are losing? No, I'm not going to jump on one that's in the red. I'm going to focus on the ones that come to the top of my leaderboard. And what I do with that information, this is a very short look back. We have what we call our ChatGPT trading analyst. And what I did prior to the live stream is I uploaded into ChatGPT my trade performance for this week. This week only. My best NQ has been on this NQRJ Star Drone, and it hasn't. That bot is running on 150 range bar, very big bar. Doesn't take many trades. You can see it won 100% of its trades the last two trades, and that's the look back. The look back on that, excuse me, the look back on the best NQ bot is 2 trades. We have a bot that will automatically trade your best NQ bot. It's called the best NQ bot. It looks at 10 or 15 different NQ strategies and automatically piggybacks that strategy. So it was watching the RJ. I have an NQ30 range on the Smart Velocity drone up 1643. And the retirement plan, look at the retirement plan, 1293. Let me show you the trade performance on that. And seeing the way the price action is looking this morning and knowing what my trigger is. This is the trade performance for the first week of December. And I'm going to put out of the box, each one of our bots come with their own separate SIM account. And I can use this filter and pick which bot I want. In this example, I'm going to select the 2-minute retirement plan drone. Look at the PNL of this 2-minute retirement plan. This is trading 2 micros, okay? 2 micros is up $1,293 for the week. An outrageous eye-popping win rate of let's see, it took oh my God, under 40% profitable rate. Okay, what makes this such a profitable bot is the risk to reward. On the average, it lost $38 on a trade, and it made $494. That's incredible. That's outrageous. So it caught a monster trade. There's the market open, everybody. Yeah, the NQ's going up and down. You're right. I've got my ETP trade copier up, trading 3 prop accounts. I've got my affordable indicators copier going. My power plays just took 2 winners in a row, and now it's in the leapfrog here. Let's wait for the market to settle down. We're right up into upside resistance. Let's see if we can get a break. But the retirement plan loves that volatility, the big move down, the reversal up. That's what triggers that bot. At the open, this is the first freeze up I've had since yesterday morning. It froze up on me. Excuse me, let me get this restarted. It's been running really well. Task manager. At the open, it just choked. Okay, let's get this back up and running. I upgraded. You know, Ninja had 2 versions. Last week they came out with 0.6, 6.0, and not a week later they came out with 6.1. So I believe that they had some type of issue. When they come out with a correction within a week, something weird is going on. They had an issue. Well, let's get this fired back up. Okay, great. So let me get my ETP connected. We're going to get our strategies running. We had a really nice leaderboard. Oh, wait. Let me flatten everything. My ES8U scalper leapfrog just hit an $800 trade at the open. Okay, let's try it again. Wow, this thing shot up right to the roof. To the moon. To the moon. This thing is headed. Wow. Let's look for a break of resistance here. Let me reconnect everything. Connect. Connect. Good morning, Rao. Good morning, Duke. Synergy. Good morning. Good morning. Let's see. Let's wait for a break of resistance here. You'll reach the maximum number of active groups allowed. Too many groups. I only have one group. Okay. Getting a retracement now. This is where we might be able to get in on this ES8U. Our scalper. Okay, it did take off long. Let's see if we break through resistance. All the risk is off that trade now. I'm waiting on the break. Okay, I'm going to look to get the next long on that power play. Didn't quite break. Didn't quite break resistance. The software does a very nice job of defining risk. You could see that pivot where a lot of sellers are sitting right at 25,775. On the E-mini, it's at 68.87, 86. Let's see if we get a Santa Claus rally started a little early this year. Our power play is up $500 trading the micros. That's 4 micros on the power play. It's going to retest resistance. We needed a retracement. Let's get a bit of a retracement here, right back to the 50 on our 20U. My ETP copier is throwing errors for no good reason. Incredible. Big retracement. Big retracement. This is usually the way to get into this ES8U. We got a nice pullback. Okay, our 20U just broke below the 50. Our power play jumped in short. Our NQ best bot is on that RJ. It piggybacked that RJ. Here we go. This could be a nice short roll. Here we go. We're in. Oh. Wow. Right into this volatility. 10 o'clock. 10 o'clock is the report. Man, did we get caught in some whipsaw there. Holy moly. Not much we could do about that one. That retirement plan might be the way to go. Ooh, the smart velocity's up $3,000. Mack truck $2,000. I'm going to put the Mack truck. Mack truck likes to break right through the 50. I'm going to put the power play. Let's see if we get a move to the upside. We're in. Oops. Come on, pop up. Mack truck. Come on. We got in on the 20U. All right, we got our work cut out for us. Down 160. Let's regroup. I'm going to play the ES long on that scalper. Okay, it went long. It took off. Let's see if we can get a push to the upside. Come on up. Right into resistance. Come on up. Come on up. Come on up. Nice. Nice row. Wow. That's a monster trade, man. Ah, the power play just got me. Let me get off the power play. Oh, what did I do? How did it close? Yeah, I'm in shock. I think I closed that trade from my ETP copier by accident. Oh, man, I don't believe that just happened. I accidentally closed that ES trade. Didn't mean to do that. Darn. Oh, all my bots came loose. All my bots disabled. I did it on my ETP by accident. Darn. I really like that E-mini trade. Let's see if we can get right back into it. It's trading right into resistance, though. ES8U scalper. $3,300 on 5 contracts. Wow. Come on, let's get a break of this upside resistance on this E-mini. Oh, it popped me in right into resistance. Now I really need the break. Come on, let's go. Break it. Come on, break through resistance. There you go. Push up. Push up. There you go. Keep going. Break resistance. Push up. Go ahead. Breakthrough. There you go. Nice. Come on, keep pushing up. Go ahead. Keep pushing up. Let's go. Okay, I'm in the trade with no risk now. Keep pushing up. Let's get in that leapfrog. Come on up. Come on up. Come on, one more leg. One more leg. Don't come back now. Don't come back now. Oh, no. Jump right back in. Ah. Back in long on the E-mini. Come on, push up a little higher. Push up. Come on. Let's go. Nice. Oh, shoot. Ah, I forgot the report. Close that as quick as I can. I don't think I did, Mark Sachs. Oh. Now you're Suzanne. Oh my God. That red folder report came out on us. I closed my positions ASAP. I closed out of it. Now it's going to go to the moon. It's usually how it happens. Usually how it works. Ah, look at this ES trade. Ah, that kills me. Let's see what the report was. Probably a rosy report, I imagine. I kind of lost track of time there. I was in the trade. Let's see what the news was. Report came out at 10. Look at that ES trade I was in. Ay, ay, ay. Look at that. Ah, jeez. That's the big one that got away right there. That's the big one that got away. Personal income increased 95 billion, 0.4% at a monthly rate in September. All right, let's give this another shot. Let's check our leaderboard. Wow, look at the one-day pass. The NQ velocity's been crushing it. It's up 2,600, and it's right back in. That's trading on the NASDAQ. Oh, it was all over that ES trade. Let's see a signal C on the power play. The 20U Mac truck is crushing it. Retirement plan. NQ Best Bot is piggybacking the Mac truck now. It's switched to the Mac truck. My NQ Best Bot. This bot will automatically trade the NASDAQ bot that's performing the best. Look at this leapfrog trade on the E-mini. Man, oh man, I saw that one coming. I love that entry. Wow, great job, Rao. Yeah, the bots are doing really well today. Today's a much better trading day than Wednesday and Thursday. I'm trying to get on the board. My evals did decent. I tell you, it's tempting to get into this best bot. Switched over to the Mac truck. Hopefully we're going to release it today, Synergy. It's been working really well. That's a brand new update. If you're a member and you're in our Discord, our team meets every Friday. Today's no exception. And we're going to prepare that update. And what the best NQ bot does and the best ES bot does is it piggybacks the bot. The best NQ will look at all of the NQs, do a 2-trade look back, and automatically start copying the most profitable NQ bot. And we have one for the E-mini as well, which is really, we consider our 1-2 punch. The NQ and the ES are our two most profitable bots. Yeah, we're excited about that synergy. This thing looks like it's going to slowly keep moving to the upside. Take a quick look at the stock market. ES8U scalper. Still in this trade. If it gets another leapfrog to the upside, it could turn into an extremely lucrative trade. On the ES, remember, it's $12.50 a tick. It's tough to manage the ES. You want to give it room, but at the same time, you don't want to give back all your profits. And at $12.50 a tick, you can give them back pretty quickly. So that leapfrog, when that stop bounces up, it's locking in a nice chunk of profit. Hey, good morning, Vince. Yes, we sure can. We're right just short of the leapfrog here. I'm referring to this trade here on the E-mini. Just short of the leapfrog. One more push up. Wow, great trading, Rao. Congratulations. That's a stellar day. Look at this ES30 range on the one-day pass. It's just been absolutely crushing it. The market's up about 0.5% across all the indexes, 0.8% on the NASDAQ. Boy, this thing just keeps going. I showed the winners. Let me be fair and show the losers. We do have losing bots down at the bottom. Not all of our bots are winning. The vast majority of them are. Market's still pushing higher. One more stiff. There it goes. Now it just leapfrogged. Got another leg of profit on that leapfrog. We were in that trade on the E-mini. And that red folder report came out. I quickly closed my position. And on the sidelines, watched it go to the moon. That best NQ is about to score a $1,000 trade. When it's that close to my profit target, I'm going to squeeze it. I'm not going to risk 100 ticks to get one. It's crazy. Don't be a dick over a tick. Could go all the way, and it does. The best NQ, $2,625. Let's get a weekly P&L. It got stuck on the RJ. Got stuck on the RJ because the RJ only trades maybe once a day. And it took two really nice trades. So it was doing a two-trade look back. And was waiting on that RJ. Finally, the Mack truck overtook it. But this is what piggybacking our best NQ for the week. Very little drawdown. I'm confident that this is going to be released. Sergio, even believe it or not, Sergio, who's just incredible, his guy's just a genius, added a component onto our tool for this best NQ and best ES. It's pretty complicated what he did. To have it look at every single one and pick the one that's doing the best with a two-trade look back isn't as easy as it might sound. But he put together something on our tool to distribute it and set it up with the click of a mouse. But for the week, it made $2,100 in profits on 4 trades. It got hung up on the RJ, and now today I just saw it broke loose on that last trade and piggybacked the Mack truck. Smart Velocity's back in. Let's watch that one. That's the number one bot today. Gives the trades a little more room. Coming up behind me is going to be options trading professional, Mr. David Wise. David Wise. He's going to be trading the SPY super system. He likes to leverage Heikin-Ashi candles. Excuse me. Great job, Ken. Yeah, we had some bots that just crushed it today. Sorry about that. It looks like my ninja went down. Okay, we're getting a little bit of a pullback now. Let's try to get one long trade on the NASDAQ here. Got a little bit of a pullback. Let's see if it heads back up. I need the signal B. I need my RSI line to lock to the top in my Laguerre. Congratulations, Ken. That ES8U scalper is right back in long. We're trying to get one long trade on the power play right over here. I'd like to see it break right through resistance. We got 8 more minutes. Let's see if we can get on the board here. No need to cry over spilled milk. That ES trade kind of hurt, but it is what it is. Today at 1 o'clock, we're going to do a live presentation on the AI auto. I'm going to drop a registration link. No, instead of that, instead of a registration link, if you're not on our mailing list and you'd like to attend today's live presentation, send an email to support@rightlinetrading.com and we'll get you registered for that live event today at 1 o'clock. We need a break of resistance here. The market kind of slowed down. It's catching its breath. Big, beautiful move up. Let's take a look at that ES trade. Wow. Jeez, look at that thing. Oh, my goodness. It jumped back in. Things have kind of settled down here. It was fun while it lasted. Please, if you would, on your way out the door, the way we ended up for the week, here's the performance. The performance, about a 41% win rate on the Apex accounts. The average losing trade was only $44, $45. The average winning trade about 84, trading the micros. So our winners were 2 times greater than our losers. Up under just under 700. That last trade on the ES would have been. Oh, I think I just got into that trade actually. Let's see if we can get some follow through. I'm going to put my profit goal, my profit target, right there, right under resistance. Try to get my profit window to kick in a little early. Last trade, last trade. If you would, please, on your way out, if you would please like my video here on YouTube. If you'd like to see the live presentation today at 1 and learn more, send us an email to support@rightlinetrading.com. All right, we're in the leapfrog. Let's see if we can get one to run for us. Come on through. Get up there. Come on, push up. Nah. All right. All right. Don't forget, please, if you would, on your way out the door, if you'd like my video here on YouTube, this is the way the bots ended up today. Let me bring up my leaderboard. I had some bots that really crushed it. Had a really nice move up today, and these bots were able to capitalize on that move up. Were all the bots profitable? No. If I scroll to the bottom, you'll see that there were some bots that were in the red. But the majority did very well. What does that bring us to for the week? It brought us back up to 834. 834 for the week. And God willing, we'll be back next week and do it again. I hope everybody has a great weekend. And we'll be back on Monday. Thanks again for joining us. We got our fingers crossed for our members. That new update, the best NQ bot, the best ES bot, is going to do all the deciding for you. You just enable that one, you put that one as your leader account, and it's going to piggyback the most profitable bot. So we got some big things coming out, hopefully this Friday, today. And that will be posted in the Discord chat group. Discord chat group is where we release our updates. If you're a member, you're not in Discord, send me an email, support@rightlinetrading.com. Have a great weekend, everybody. We'll see you next week. So long. Thanks, Synergy.